Are you looking for a straightforward way to share a file directly from HubSpot so your viewers or leads get seamless, direct downloads with a single click? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to generate a direct download link to any file you have hosted in the HubSpot Files tool. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to provide quick professional downloads on landing pages, emails, or anywhere you need your audience to access your content instantly. Let's dig right in. First, we need to navigate to where your files live in HubSpot. Go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. If you're already in, great. From the main menu, look for the Marketing section. Hover over Marketing and then go down to Files and Templates. You'll see an option called Files. That's what we want. This is essentially HubSpot's own cloud storage, where you can manage all your images, documents, PDFs, and other assets you want handy for your marketing. Once you're inside the Files tool, you'll see a list of all the files you've uploaded. If your file list is pretty long, don't worry. HubSpot gives you a handy search bar and some filters to quickly zero in on what you need. For example, you can type part of the file name, filter by file type, or even by the date it was uploaded. This is a big time saver, especially if you're managing lots of content for multiple campaigns. After you've found the file you want to share, let's say it's a PDF guide you want your audience to download, the next step is to get the direct link. To do this, hover your mouse over the file you picked. On the right side, you'll notice a More drop-down menu which looks like 3 little dots. Click that and you'll see options including Get File URL, or sometimes it says Copy URL. Just select that. HubSpot automatically grabs the download link for you, so you don't have to worry about formatting or access permissions. Alternatively, if you want a preview or a bit more detail, you can simply click on the file name itself. This opens up the Details panel where you can double-check that you've got the right file, maybe peek at the preview, check the file size, whatever you need. At the top right corner of this preview panel, you'll see another button labeled Copy URL. Click it and you're all set. The link is now on your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need. Now let's put that link to use. You can paste this URL into an email, attach it to a call to action button on a landing page, include it in a newsletter, or even inside a document. What's great is when someone clicks your link, their browser will either prompt them to download that file directly or start the download automatically. No detours, no extra steps. This is awesome for delivering resources like ebooks, checklists, or event materials right to your audience, boosting engagement and saving everyone time. And there you have it. Simple steps, but super useful for delivering exactly what people ask for. If you hit any snags along the way, don't worry. It might take a second to find the right file if your library is packed, but the process is quick once you get it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and let me know any questions in the comments below. And if you want more practical HubSpot tips like this, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Have a great day and happy sharing.